gentlemen were killing me with that fucking shit, man.
Mach Chunk Street. What the hell is that? That Chevy did. There was no I don't think there was a signal there either. Wow. Come on, go. Yeah, you seem to have waited forever. Oh, come on. You don't fucking do that.
It's a leftover. What a sad word that is. Leftover.
What are you
How would you
doing?
like to be a leftover?
And straight for the shoulder where there's a car right beside that truck. Bravo! You saved a lot of time on your commute, I'm sure.
Make you feel good twice.
Last second exit. Oh yeah, you merge on before that truck does. You gonna make a straight shot for the left? Oh no, you're not that stupid, okay. No short signal. Jump again.
That's the problem.
Oh, now you signal? Yeah, and that guy just crossed over from, wow. Did not even stop at all. And of course, all those people that were in the, and what are you doing? You originally went for this lane and then oh, come on. Keep going forward. What are you doing? I want the next exit. Keep going. Thank you. Yeah, let's speed through that stop. Oh, wait. Yeah, let's speed through that stop sign too. And you don't even stop. What? Like, I'm gonna let you over. Of course it's going in the video. And that guy's in the middle of the intersection. The light just turned red on him. Oh, that gray SUV ran the red light. I was here first, douche. And you had to do that. BMW. About 6.1.
All the kids play
Too close to you, dude.
The girls playing double dutch while the DJ spinning a two.
I don't technically blame you, so you can't do that.
This man right here. Well, that looks great, Joe. What is that, plastic? That's, I think it's called the Sharpie. Is it colored as well?
I think it is. It does seem that
What
way.
are you doing?
They have a blonde Sharpie. Yeah, they do. Oh, yeah. A million.
Yeah, you can get a city
Oh, they
color.
are.
You know,
Yeah,
Problem. Call our toll-free tip line 855 road tip. That's right now. Traffic. I'm
Yeah, wait. Never mind.
We'll be back in minutes on 97.9.
The more you absorb information-wise, the better off you're going to be. This stuff really doesn't go unnoticed. You know, I noticed it from early on that he was going to be this type of person, and he's worked his butt off and he's doing an awesome job trying to learn about
Jeez.
corners of alignment.
And that Ford thing ran the red light. You're not going to, are you? School bus full of children.
Over selling loose cigarettes. Wow. Wasn't paying taxes on cigarettes he was selling one at a time, so they choked the life out. What police
Holy
brutality?
crap,
I don't know
he
what you're
took that
talking
turn way
about.
too
It's
slow.
the cops that are killed. Now, I don't want any cops killed. There was a cop killed in New York last week. It's a tragedy. They're a human being, and we care about them, right? We're the left. We actually care about all human beings. So, those things,
Oh,
of
what
course,
the
are
shoulder?
should not be connected. And of course, I understand that
Wow.
that cops are going to wind up shooting some people because sometimes.
Capacitors back in the day were a lot bigger than. What are you doing? And you're just gonna run the red light. Oh, I wonder what he did. He probably was speeding, which I don't. He just turned on, so I don't know if he did. Interesting. Oh, careful. Kind of a. Big white fucking truck. And you were just gonna do that with no one behind me. That guy picked one hell of a spot to park. You're sitting at green. There you go. You turn when it's yellow, and you're just funny. And you just blown through that, even though you kind of don't have right of way.
Here, hard to say. This is what I don't like about intermittent electrical problems, and this is why I didn't pursue this earlier. I like to have very...
Imagine, you know, her dancing with some other guy and me watching that. But the good thing was you got to see the rehearsal studios never looked like it.
Last second exit, and I think it's a goal ball.